Hello students. So this you could see here. This video is about the trick to find out the order of a reaction using the rate constant value. Okay. So this is about the chemical kinetics chapter. So in your Karnataka CET exam, or it might be in your theory exam, some questions will appear where the unit will be given. Okay, you could see here the unit will be given and you need to find out what is the order of a reaction. Okay, similarly there is another example I have taken. So by seeing this unit you should be able to find out what is the order. If you have learned, then you can answer it very easily. But if you don't know, if you don't remember the unit of each order, like for the zero order what is the unit, okay, for the first order what is the unit, you might not be remembering. For in that case, by using the unit given here, you can find out what is the order of a reaction in a easy way. So for that you need to remember this general formula, that is to find out the nth order. Okay, n means it may be, n is nothing but the order of a reaction, like a 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, where this is a general reaction you have to remember, that is mole to the power 1 minus n liter n minus 1 per second. Okay, so this formula you have to remember. Just remember 1 minus n minus 1 per 1. Okay, so these two are very important. You know it is common, mole, liter, second will be common. Just remember the powers like 1 minus n minus 1. Okay, now let us see how we can find out. So you could see here, let us take the same the value that is given. Okay, the rate constant value is given, that is 2.3 into 10 power of minus 5 liter per mole per second. Okay, liter per mole per second. You need to find out what is the order of a reaction. Okay, it's quite simple. Just see what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this unit what they have given over here. Okay, let us write. So mole per mole liter, okay, per second. I've just changed it, that's it. Okay, per mole liter per second. It's only because I just want to match up with this one. Now write down the general formula, that is mole 1 minus n liter n minus 1 per second. Okay, now see here, mole liter per second. Okay, so all are like equal. LHS is equal to RHS over here. Okay, now as we have learnt in the maths, when the bases are same, the powers can be equate. Okay, you can equate the powers. Now I can take either mole, okay, I can take either liter. So whichever we can take, we will going to get the same order. So I'll going to show both the things. Let us take mole, the power is minus 1. So write minus 1 over here. To this mole we have a power 1 minus n. So 1 minus n. The thing is you need to solve it simply. Okay, so take a n over here. Okay, so 1 as it is, when this comes it becomes like plus 1, so n equal to 2. Then what is the order of a reaction? It is a second order reaction. Okay, it's a second order. So this is a unit. This is a unit for the second order reaction. Okay, if you remember this general formula, then you can answer it very easily. So same thing I'm going to try to solve by using by equating the liter. So at LHS what I have a liter, nothing means here power 1. Okay, is equal to, for this liter I have n minus 1. So n take my minus 1 over here. So n equal to 1 plus 1. Again what we're going to get? 2. Okay, so you can equate either liter, you can equate either mole to get an order of a reaction. Okay, so this is a simple way. Similarly, let us take one more example, that I have k is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4 per second. Okay, so this is the unit for the first order actually. Okay, so but I don't remember. Now I need to find out what is the order, means apply the same method here. How? So let us write what the unit they have given. Per second they have given. Fine. Now write the general formula, that is mole 1 minus n liter n minus 1 per second. Okay, now you could see we have only per second and we have per second over here. So what about mole and liter? We don't have, but we can write. How? See here, mole to the power 0 Okay, so any number or any value to the power is equal to 1. So nothing means here once we have, so we are writing mole to the power 0. Again, if we solve it, we're going to get per second itself. Okay, similarly for liter, can I write 0? Of course. Okay, mole to the power 0 is 1, liter to the power 0 is 1. Okay, again we're going to get a per second. Okay, now the same method how we did here, like 0, equate the mole over here, 0 equal to 1 minus n. I am equating the powers. Now n equal to, so 1. Okay, what is the order of a reaction, dear students? It is again 1. So what I told, by seeing this one, it is a first order reaction. So n is the order of a reaction. So 1 is the value, that is a first order reaction. Similarly, can I do take a liter, 0 over here. Okay, for here n minus 1. Again, what are you going to get? N equal to 1. So this is how you can find out the order of a reaction when the unit is given, when the rate constant value is given. Okay, so this is a simple way through which you can calculate the order of a reaction. Thank you.